Meron tayong bagong topic ngayon, algebraic equation in problem solving. Sa algebraic equation in problem solving, meron tayong mga words, mathematical words or phrases that commonly used, madalas na ginagamit sa problem solving. Sa addition, ang word na madalas na ginagamit is increase by. In addition, ang ginagamit na word or phrase na ginagamit is increase by, more than, sum, added to, total. Ganon din naman sa subtraction. Ang subtraction naman, meron siyang word na decrease by, less than, diminish by, or difference and difference. Multiplication, ang word na ginagamit and phrase ay mga sumusunod. Ito like this: twice as much, thrice, product. Sa division, and finally the division, ang meron siya is quotient, ratio, divided by. Tapos yung equality, yung word na equals or word na is, was, will be, means equal yan, equality. Dito naman sa example of mathematical phrases and mathematical expression. Sa left side natin yung mga phrases, and sa right side mathematical expression. Twice as much as n, kwanto phrases to sa multiplication. So twice as much as n means 2 times n or 2n. Sa pangalawang phrases naman, x increased by 8. Alam natin na increase by is on sa phrases to ng addition. So x plus 8 ang mathematical expression ng phrases na x increased by 8. So another phrases, number 3 phrases, June age x 10 years ago. Nilet natin dito na ang x is a June age. So ang pinapahagi ito, yung edad ni June age 10 years ago means mathematical expression natin is x, the age of June, minus 10. Yun ang mathematical expression. So number 4 phrases, quotient of a number n and 9. Number, assume natin na variable na n. So quotient of number n and 9 means n divided by 9. So the last phrases is 4 is 8 more than a number n. Alam natin na ang word na is equality, equal. So 4 equal n, that means more than a number, means addition, plus 8. Hindi pwedeng ganun. 4 is equal 8 plus n, hindi. Kasi yung kung dito, kalagay rito 8 more than a number. Kung may number to, plus the number 8. So mathematical expression niya is 4 equal to n plus 8. So magbibigay tayo ng example. Try natin solve. Ito yung problem number 1. Problem number 1, when 5 is added to 3 times a number, the result is 20. Find the number. Ang pinapaharap dito is number. Let say let n is the number. So solve natin to using mathematical expression. 3 times a number means 3 times n is 5 is added. So plus 5 is equal, the result is 20. So simplify natin. 3n plus 5 is equals 20. So subtract natin both side by 5. To eliminate ang 5 dito, 3n plus 5 minus 5. Ito yung rules ng equality para hindi maapektuhan yung equation. 20 minus 5. So cancel to. Magiging ang answer niya is 3n is equals 15. So divide natin. Daling ko lang dito 3n is equals 15. Then divide both side by 5 by 3 by 3. Then cancel ang 3. Cancel ang 15 ng 3. Magiging 5 to. Ito magiging 1. So, ang n natin, ang hinahanap na n is 5. Itong answer. So, sa problem number 2. Problem number 2, the sum of a number and 6 multiplied by 3 has 24 as the result. So, ang kanya rito, ang pinapahanap na naman dito ulit is number. Ganun pa rin. Let assume natin, let n be the number. Be the number. So, i-write natin yung mathematical expression niya. So, sum of a number and 6, so n plus 6 multiplied by 3. So, multiplied by 3. This times 3 is equals 24. So, pwede natin siyang ilong method na distribute natin yung 3 sa naka close and open parenthesis, or pwede nating shortcut na i-divide na natin agad by 3 para ma-eliminate, pero gawin natin sa long method. 3 times n is 3n plus 3 times 6 is 18, then equals 24. Then, subtract both side, minus 18. So, cancel natin to. Ang magiging value is 3n is equals to 18 24 minus 18 is 6. So, 3n is equals to 6 divided by 3, both side. Cancel natin ang 3. Then cancel natin to, magiging 1 and 2. Ito magiging 1 lang yan, pareho. So, n is equals to answer. So, problem number 3. 4 times a number is added to a number which has the result of 45. Sabi rito, 4 times a number. Let's say, n uli is a number. So, 4 times a number means 4 times n is added to a number. Kung ito kasi magiging is added to a number. Kung ang number is ito, so, n is a number, is added 4 times a number, which is the result of 45. So, n plus 4n is equals 45. Add natin itong dalawa, magiging 5n. n plus 4n is equal to 5n, then equal to 45. So, divide natin both side by 5. To eliminate ang 5 dito, equals 1. This pa naman, cancel, magiging 9, 1. So, ang n natin dito ngayon is 9. So, problem number 4. The product of a number n5 is added to 7. So, pag sinunod natin ang mathematical expression nito is 7 plus product of a number n5 is 5n. 5 times n is 5n is equals to 27. Yan ang mathematical expression niya. O, simplify natin. By subtracting both side by 7, This rules of equality. So, ito magiging 0. Then, plus 5n is equals to 20. So, 5n is equals 20. So, divided by 5. Cancelled. Matitira n. Then, to cancelled, matitira 4 and 1. So, the answer is 4. Okay. Okay. Next naman, sa tatakan natin next day is yung sa edge problem, problem solving. So, kung may mga question, pwede naman i-comment, then sagutin natin, o kung mayroon kayong gusto pasagutan problem, open naman tayo para i-discuss. Thank you.